Today, we're diving into a topic that every homeowner should be aware of: planning applications in your neighborhood. Whether you're curious about new developments, concerned about changes that might affect your property value, or just want to stay informed, setting up planning alert emails can keep you in the loop every step of the way. I'll show you how to do it, step by step, and why it's so important. First, let's talk about why these alerts are crucial. Imagine you wake up one day to find that a large development project has been approved right next door, potentially impacting your view, privacy, and definitely your property's value. By staying informed through planning alerts, you can take action early, whether that's voicing your concerns, attending community meetings, or even planning your own home improvements in response to what's happening around you. Planning applications can cover everything from small loft extensions to larger housing developments. By knowing what's proposed, you're better equipped to protect your investment and maintain the quality of life in your neighborhood. Now, let's get into how you can set up these alerts.
Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the local planning portal and I'm going to register for planning alerts. I'm going to just type in Leeds planning portal, as I'm based in Leeds, but they all feed off the same system, so you could be anywhere. You could be Nottingham, Sheffield, Manchester, wherever. You just put your city name plus planning portal. It'll take you directly through to your local authority's website, which will give you the direct URL through to the public access system. Now, this is where all of the planning history is of a property. It's where the building regulations, approvals, any documents associated with anything to do with planning application or building reg certificate is all uploaded by the local planning authority. So what we do here to set up for planning alerts in your local area, you can follow the top button here, click register, then start filling out your personal details. So today I am Mr. Central Properties. My email address is info@centralpropertiesleeds.co. Okay, so we click that. Postcode, I'm going to put my office address. Again, this will be your home address. Click next, and there is my home address here. I agree to the terms and conditions. There we go. So that'll send you an activation email. Once that comes through, you will then be notified of any new planning applications in your area. So it just gives you a really good way to stay on top of what's happening in your area.
And that's it. It's a simple process, but it ensures you're always in the loop about what's happening in your neighborhood. Being proactive about planning applications offers several benefits. Number one, early intervention. If a proposed development could negatively affect your property, you have the opportunity to raise objections early in the process. Number two, better planning for your own project. If you're thinking about home improvements, knowing what's happening around you can help you plan better, whether it's ensuring your project stands out or fits in with the neighborhood's future changes. Three, community engagement. Staying informed allows you to participate more actively in community discussions and decisions, again, helping you shape the future of your neighborhood. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to protecting your home and your investment. So there you have it. Setting up planning alert emails is a quick and easy 10-minute process that allows you to stay informed about what's happening in your area. It's a small step that can make a big difference in protecting your property and maintaining the quality of life in your neighborhood. Now, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing your home and property, and I will see you in the next video.